generally accepted accounting principle. So changing nature, why we are calling it as changing nature? Because as we all know that generally accepted accounting principle is a standardized format which is used by every country individually, which is prepared and used by every country individually. Every country has their own set of gap, fine. But abhi kya ho raha hai, we know that we are entering into international market, and so the nature of gap is also changing. Generally accepted accounting principles are usually developed by professional accounting bodies like American Institute of Certified Public Accountant, AICPA, and Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. In developing such principle, however, the accounting profession has to reflect the realities of social, economic, legal, and political environment in which it operates. So, this has been clearly mentioned that this professional bodies actually prepare this gap, the procedure, the rules that we have to prepare in any country while maintaining the books of account is given by this professional bodies like maybe AICPA or a Chartered Accountant Institute of India. But these professional bodies must consider different things, that is the different the practical realities, what is on the ground in the sense that the social scenario, the economic, legal, and the political scenario in which we are operating. Because we all, every company, every organization is actually operating in a social environment. We know we are not operating in vacuum, so we are operating somewhere. So besides academic research, regulatory and tax laws of the government, example Companies Act 1956, Income Tax Act 1961, etc., in a large measure influence the formulation of acceptable accounting principles. Stock exchanges and other regulatory agencies like CCI, Controller of Capital Issues, have laid down rules for disclosure and extent of accounting information. So this makes sense, and it is very clear for everyone that the entire gap or the entire rules and regulation are prepared by the professional bodies, which is determined by various factors. Now, what are the various factors? There are statutory or the regulatory bodies. CCI is the regulatory bodies which check the capital control issues, like the ROC is the registrar of company, CCI controller of capital issues, and apart from that the Companies Act, Income Tax Act, all this will have an influence on the formulation of the gap, fine. Since the government environment in which the business operates undergoes constant changes as a result of changes in the economic and financial policies of the government and changes in the structure of business, continued evaluation of the relevance of generally accepted accounting principles is required. In this sense, the principles of accounting are not everlasting truths. You will appreciate that it is the development of relevant accounting principles in tune with the present day needs of the society that would make it possible for the business enterprises to develop financial statement which would be acceptable and of value to the end users. Now मैं इसको अच्छे से elaborate कर दे रही हूँ एक बार. This is very clear to everyone that generally accepted accounting principle एक standardized format है जिसके मतलब जिसको हर कंपनी को फॉलो करना है. एवरी कंपनी मस्ट फॉलो द गैप को फॉलो करके ही वो अपने बुक्स और सेट्स ऑफ जो बुक्स हैं, अकाउंटिंग जो नियम है वो उसके गैप द्वारा जो दिए गए हैं उसको ही फॉलो करना है, राइट. नाउ ये जो गैप प्रिपेयर होता है, ये फॉर्मुलेशन होता है, दिस इज प्रिपेयर्ड बाय AICPA और ICI इन इंडिया. तो इसको ग्राउंड रियलिटीज को चेक करना है. व्हाट इज द ग्राउंड रियलिटीज लाइक द सोशल, इकोनॉमिक, लीगल एंड पॉलिटिकल एनवायरनमेंट इन इंडिया. Apart from the academic research, the Companies Act is there, Income Tax Act 1961 is there. All these things has to be considered. ये सारी चीज को भी देखना है. जैसे CCI एक रेगुलेटरी बॉडीज है. क्या होता है, ये जो प्रेजेंट डे सिचुएशन है, जनरली एक्सेप्टेड अकाउंटिंग प्रिंसिपल ऐसा नहीं है कि एक बार बन गया और फिर उसको सारे जीवन फॉलो करना है एक ही, ऐसा नहीं. कंपनीज एक्ट भी अमेंडमेंट हो रहे हैं, हर एक्ट के अमेंडमेंट हो रहे हैं. तो ये अमेंडमेंट्स की जरूरत क्यों हो रही है? सिंपल सी बात है, द current scenario, the social scenario in which our business is operating, it is changing. ये तो चेंज हो रहा है ना. आप अगर एक पेस्ट एनालिसिस करो, पॉलिटिकल सिनेरियो, इकोनॉमिक, सोशल और टेक्नोलॉजिकल, एवरीथिंग इज चेंजिंग. सो वी ऑल्सो हैव टू चेंज. हमें अपनी कंपनीज के पॉलिसीज को भी चेंज करनी है, तो कंपनीज एक्ट भी चेंज हो रहा है. सो अकॉर्डिंगली गैप इज ऑल्सो बीइंग चेंज. तो अकॉर्डिंगली गैप भी प्रेजेंट डे सिनेरियो के हिसाब से चेंज हो रहा है एंड विच इज अपडेटेड. सो Why it is updated? इसको अपडेटेड क्यों करना पड़ा? क्योंकि जो रेलेवेंट यूजर्स हैं, द यूजर्स ऑफ द फाइनेंशियल इंफॉर्मेशन, इट मेक्स सेंस फॉर देम. हम जो रिपोर्ट्स की प्रेजेंटेशन कर रहे हैं वो उनके लिए सेंसिबल हो, उनके लिए रेलेवेंट हो, उनके ऑब्जेक्टिव को फुलफिल करें. दैट इज वाई वी आर प्रिपेयरिंग दिस गैप ना. एक स्टैंडर्डाइज क्यों हम तरीका तैयार कर रहे हैं. समझ आया? इज दिस क्लियर देवजानी?
Yes,